Alright, welcome to the Musicator station. God bless you. Today I want to show you how you can play your A flat major scale. A flat major scale is very important that you know how to play it up, because most of the songs will not just fall on C, will not just be on G, will not just be on F only. So there are some times that you end up sing a song that is written on A flat major. So it's very, very important that we do what we learn how to play A flat major scale. Alright, without much ado, let me show you how to play your A flat major scale. That's the A flat. That's B flat. We have, that's C. We have, that's D flat. We have, that's E flat. We have, that's F. Next is G. Then we have A flat. So let me play the scale all through. So that's the scale. You may want to stick around by trying to figure out some other stuff in the scale. In A flat major scale, you can still figure out some other minor modes, some other major modes with sharp 4, and some kind of dominant mode. So it's cool that you stick around, see how you can play in and out of this scale. You may want to start by playing some of the chords inside the scale. For example, we have, that's A flat, that's C, that's E flat, that's G, that's 1 3 5 7, Do mi so ti. That's the A flat major 7th. Alright, that's the size of the lesson today. Please try and subscribe if you've not done that. Happy shading. Enjoy. God bless you.